Hello children, this is Math Magic of Standard 5. Let us continue chapter number 5. Does it look the same? Our today's topic is on page number 85, that is 1/6 turn. What is 1/6 turn? Here it is children, one figure is given. That means any figure is there. We have to make 6 equal parts. Okay, 6 equal parts. So when we rotate according to the given part, we have to rotate the figure. So here it is. One more thing I want to show you, that is this is a protector of 360 degree. So what is 6th turn? We know that circle is made up of 360 degree. Just a second. 360 degree, and 6th turn, that means divided by 6, so it will be 60 degree. So 60 degree is here. Okay, and from 0, that means up to this, that means this portion every time 6th turn, that means up to this portion, this much portion we have to turn every time to give 1/6 turn to any shape or figure. Same way, if 1/3 turn is there, you know that 360 divided by 3, that means 120. So 120 is these. Okay, तो अब पता चला कि हमने 1/3 टर्न करने से ऐसा हमने बनाया था. ओके, सो इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 60. यहाँ से अगर करें तो ये बन गया ना 3 पार्ट्स, तो ये हुआ 120 डिग्री का एक. वैसे ही 60 पे बनेगा 60 डिग्री का मतलब 6th टर्न पे बनेगा 60 डिग्री का पार्ट. सो इसको ऐसे हम करें तो ये बन गए 6 पार्ट. फाइन. सो दिस वे वी कैन टर्न एनी शेप. नाउ आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, हियर इट इज़ प्रैक्टिस टाइम इज गिवन. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग शेप्स, जो हाउ दे विल लुक ऑन 1/3 एंड 1/6 टर्न. चिल्ड्रन, प्रोबेबली जो ट्रायंगल्स होते हैं, या हमारे जिस शेप में हमारे पास ऑलरेडी 6 पार्ट्स है, तो उसमें कोई चेंज होगा नहीं. अगर हम 1/3 टर्न करें या 1/6 टर्न करें, इट विल लुक सेम. So here it is, the answer is given. The first one shape, clearly you can see here it is triangles, and 6 triangles are there. In middle also one triangle is there. So on 1/3 triangle will not change its shape, and this one is after 1/6 turn, that means twice 1/3 turn. Now here it is, the next shape is given. Again you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 parts are there, 6 equal parts are there. So again 1/3 and 1/6 turn will not change. Same way here in this star, again you can see that 6 triangles are there, and when triangle is there, it will not change its shape, so that will remain same. Here in this shape little bit change will be there in this both the shapes. That means after 1/6 turn, that means 60 degree turn. Okay, when it takes 60 degree turn, it will look like this. So in this both the case, the figure will change. Now the next one is given on page number 86. Some of the questions are given. Look at the following shapes. Find out which of these figure look the same on 1/3 turn, and also we have means if it looks same, we have to tick it, and if it changes, we have to mark them with cross sign. So here you can see these figures are given, various figures are given, and which one will remain same and which one will be चेंज. तो ऑब्वियसली जिसमें कलर है वो चेंज हो जाएगा. ये दोनों तो हम पहले से ही हम बता सकते हैं कि इट विल चेंज. दिस वन इज़ अ पेंटागन, तो पेंटागन विल चेंज ऑन टर्निंग 1/3 turn. Triangles, and this one is also like a triangle shape, so this one will remain same. Let us see the answer. So first 3 will change its position, means it will look different, and the last three will look the same after giving 1/3 turn. Here it is, children, some of the shapes are given in question number C. Try and change the shapes below in such a way that they look the same on 1/3 turn. तो 1/3 टर्न देने पर जब वो सेम दिखेंगे तो हमें ऐसे उसका शेप तैयार करना है. हमने इससे पहले भी एक एक्सरसाइज में ऐसा किया था. सो हियर द चेंजेस वी कैन डू लाइक दिस. फॉर एग्जांपल ये जो डॉट है वो साइड में था तो हमने सेंटर में कर दिया. वैसे ही इसमें भी डॉट्स के कलर जो है वो हमने अरेंज किए, एंड देन इसमें ऑल्टरनेटिवली दोनों कलर को एडजस्ट किया है लाइक दिस. हियर ऑल्सो सम चेंजेस आर देयर. इसमें ऑलमोस्ट कोई चेंज नहीं हुआ है, एंड हियर जो सेंटर में ये हमने डॉट लगाया है. सो दिस वे वी कैन मेक सम चेंजेस, एंड सो आफ्टर गिविंग 1/3 turn the shape will remain same. Now last two questions are given. Draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/3 turn. हमें ऐसे शेप ड्रॉ करने हैं जो 1/3 टर्न पे, और ड्रॉ सम शेप्स विच विल लुक द सेम आफ्टर 1/6 टर्न. 1/6 टर्न पे भी ये सेम रहे, ऐसे हमें ड्रॉ करना है कुछ शेप. सो हियर इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट जो ट्राइंगल शेप में हम अगर ड्रॉ करेंगे तो 1/3 और 1/6 में इसमें डिफरेंस आएगा नहीं. सो दे विल लुक सेम. So children, that's it for today. Our chapter is over now. Thank you and bye bye.